From 70 miles an hour to naught in 1 second. The little Smart hit with such energy that it moved 20 tons of concrete, leapt into the air and rebounded to the side of the road. We didn't know what we'd find when we reached the wreckage.
The steel cage has certainly done its job really well. You can still see the original shape, just that one nasty kink there. Don't forget, this is a car without a roof. The plastic was just shattered. So without even the strength of a roof, there hasn't been that much fit. You can in fact open the door. Bits fly out. And it's only really when you come around the front you do see that massive impact. Around the other side, though, it still looks remarkably like a Smart car. You can see the full shape of the door. Indeed, the door not only opens normally, it closes again. That does show how well that cage has worked in it, in fact.